Hello everybody, we're going to look at the Add Edit Gymnast tab here. We've selected our meet. This is our test meet here. All of the gymnasts listed are completely fake gymnasts. These are fake gyms, fake gymnasts. So I'm not giving away anybody's personal information here, just FYI. So by default, you're going to have pretty much everybody in the entire meet. It tells you here we have 491 gymnasts registered for this meet. Hey, we have various ways that we can filter through these gymnasts if we need to make changes to any of them. You can filter by gym. Okay, so you can select one or multiple gyms, however you want. You can select by level, again, one or multiple. And then you can select by session, and same thing, one or multiple. You can also filter by scratch status. And you'll see as we filter one thing, the other filters react, and the levels and gyms that are non-applicable disappear, right? So our session 1 happens to have level 3, level 5, and level 6, so that's what appears here. Our session 2 has level 10, level 7, level 9, so that again is what appears up here. Okay, and same thing if you start selecting by level, all of the other filters are going to react to that. Okay, you can also search by name here, so you can do a specific gymnast. So let's say we want to find somebody named Willow. There are all of the gymnasts named Willow, and then you can select the one that you wanted by clicking on the edit button or the scratch button. You can scratch with one click, unscratch with one click. Okay, and this automatically and instantly updates the judges' scoring entry. It updates the rotation sheets with this scratch as well. Okay, we can go in and edit. You can see if we need to change a name, if we need to change a USAG number, a birth date. Let's say this gymnast is actually born in 2015. Instead, her age today is 9, but at the time of the meet, she'll be 10. I have this meet set to, I believe, December. So it's showing you that, right now she's 9 because it's not 11/26 yet. Today is November 17th is when I'm doing this video. So you've got your clubs here. If you needed to change, what club she's from or anything like that, you can do that in here. You can change the competitor number in here as well if you needed to. Change the squad session. It's easier to do the squad on the rotation sheet manager, but you can change it here. If you need to change a session, you can do so. As we change levels, it's actually going to suggest sessions and stuff. So this is a cool feature. If we change her to silver, you can see that changed her to session 4, which contains silver. It also changed her to Flight B Squad C because her teammates happen to be in that squad. Okay, and that updates all the way through all of these. You can see the sessions are changing as I change her level. So again, just trying to make it as easy as possible when you have to make changes. On this field, you can also select if she is a specialist. For instance, if she's only going to do balance beam and floor, we can deselect vault and bars and hit update. And then we're going to go ahead and look at her. She's in session 5, Willow Carter. Go look at her session 5. Willow Carter, you can see her right here. And you see how she's got a beam and floor next to her name because that's what we just selected. So that shows you pretty easily that she is a specialist, and it appears for the judges, it appears on all the rotation sheets as well. You can double click from that rotation sheet, and that brings you back to the edit here as well. Okay, so we'll just select those again. All right, and now we're just going to go back to the Add Edit Gymnasts. I'll show you a couple other things here. Let's say you want to print out all the gymnasts from session 1, for instance. You can select session 1, hit print, and it brings up for you the list that you filtered. Okay, so any list that you filter, you can also print, and it's displaying how many gymnasts fit that filter as well. So pretty easy. And then if you needed to manually add a gymnast, you can do that right here. Okay, so let's just say we want to make a test gymnast, whatever the USAG number is. You would select the birth date here. So whatever their birth date happens to be. Okay. Plug in that information. You're going to select a club, whatever club she's from. and then we're going to select the level, and you can see here it's also going to auto select the session and then suggest a competitor number for you as well. As you switch that level, it's going to switch the session and the competitor number for you. Okay, so this is telling you that golds are numbered 600 to 661 right now. Okay, so she would be 662. It's also going to auto select the squad for you because her teammates are in that squad. You can change that if you wish here, and then you can select the events competing. Hit add gymnast, and we're going to go back to the list, and you can see now we have 492 gymnasts, and our test gymnast is right there with her team and level and session and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so we're going to go into edit. We're just going to delete this athlete. Yes, we want to delete her because she is fake. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. Lots of nice, powerful features here for you on this page. Okay. And I think that's everything. If you guys need any help with anything, feel free to reach out. Support@leapscores.com, and good luck with your meet.